this squirrel. Literally, it was just eating out of the bird feeder. It stopped.
Oh, did you catch it?
Oh yeah, the cardinal's still here. It's right there.
Yeah, we have some really pretty birds. We have blue jays and cardinals.
Oh, the squirrel's doing it again.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Oh, the cardinal just flew away. Look, the squirrel's still here. Yo, come here, come here. I caught it on video. First time you'll ever see a squirrel eating from a bird feeder.
If not, no refunds either.
Okay.
Like $20 to do private videos, and you're not getting a refund.
Oh, it's jumping around now. I don't care.
Food?
Apple juice.
Did I drink?
What is that squirrel doing?
Is it possible to
Hungry.
It's watching me. It was watching me.
It still is.
Oh, look at him.
Oh,
Swishing his tail.
Oh,
I can't believe he was eating out of the bird feeder.
I know. That squirrel is literally eating out of the bird feeder. Does this look like a face that lies? You even saw it, so
Hands in my
you saw it.